The Shure SLX24D B58 Wireless Microphone System delivers clean, detailed digital sound that flatters vocals and spoken word in both live and installed settings. Its dual-channel rack receiver and two handheld transmitters with B58 capsules provide a professional front end that feels immediately familiar to working engineers. The digital radio design offers very stable performance with generous tuning flexibility, so finding clear frequencies is straightforward even in crowded venues. Battery life is strong on standard alkaline cells, and the option to move to dedicated rechargeable packs with detailed metering makes it easy to manage longer events. Range is ample for typical stages and conference rooms, allowing performers and presenters to move freely without noticeable dropouts when the system is set up correctly. Build quality reflects Shure's touring experience, with transmitters and receiver that feel robust enough for regular gigging while remaining light and comfortable in the hand.